The legal disclaimer ensures transparency about recipe sources and viewer responsibility. The Vietnamese call asparagus măng tai, literally Western bamboo, because its spears resemble bamboo shoots. Asparagus was introduced to Vietnam during the French colonial period and does not grow well in the country's humid tropical climate, which made it a prized, elegant ingredient. This soup, known in Vietnamese as Súp Măng Cua, transforms that French import into a distinctly Vietnamese dish, a delicate, lightly thickened egg drop-style soup built on clear chicken stock, sweet crab meat, and tender asparagus spears. It is normally served on its own, before rice and other dishes, and makes an excellent starter for any type of meal. Its muted, pale color and refined flavor make it a favorite at weddings and special occasion banquets. Main ingredients: young asparagus spears, 8 ounces, chicken stock or 1-2 stock cubes dissolved in 4 cups hot water, 4 cups, oil, 1 teaspoon, garlic minced, 1 clove, shallots or white part of 2 spring onions minced, 2 shallots, fish sauce, 1 tablespoon, sugar, 1/2 teaspoon, cooked crab meat, 1/2 cup, cornstarch dissolved in 3 tablespoons water, 2 tablespoons, salt, 1/2 teaspoon, freshly ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon, egg, beaten, 1 dark garnish, coriander leaves or spring onion greens, coarsely minced, 2 tablespoons. Here are the written ingredient list. Preparation steps. 1. Trim the asparagus. Cut off the bottom 1/3 of the asparagus spears. Reserve the tender top parts for later use. Cut the bottom parts into short lengths. These will be used to flavor the stock. 2. Make an asparagus-infused stock. Bring the chicken stock and the bottom parts of the asparagus to a boil over high heat in a saucepan. Then cover and simmer for 15 minutes. Remove from the heat. Strain the stock through a fine sieve and discard the asparagus ends, keeping only the clear asparagus-scented broth. 3. Prep the asparagus tips. Cut the reserved top parts of the asparagus into short lengths and set aside. 4. Combine the cornstarch slurry. Dissolve the cornstarch in 3 tablespoons of water in a small bowl. Mix until completely smooth and set aside. Never add dry cornstarch directly to a hot pot, it will clump. 5. Beat the egg. Lightly beat the egg in a small bowl and set aside for the egg drop finish. Cooking steps. 1. Sauté the aromatics. Heat the oil in a wok or saucepan over medium heat. Stir-fry the garlic and shallots for 1 to 2 minutes until fragrant and golden brown. 2. Build the soup base. Add the clear asparagus-infused stock, increase the heat to high, and bring the mixture to a boil. Season with the fish sauce and sugar. 3. Cook the asparagus and crab meat. Add the reserved asparagus tips and simmer uncovered for about 1 minute, until just cooked. Add the crab meat and mix well. 4. Thicken the soup. Reduce the heat to medium. Pour in the cornstarch slurry, stirring constantly until the soup is slightly thickened. 5. Season. Season the soup with the salt and black pepper. 6. Add the egg. Pour in the beaten egg in a slow, thin stream, stirring gently until the egg sets into delicate ribbons. Remove from the heat immediately. 7. Serve. Transfer the soup to a large soup tureen or individual soup bowls and serve hot, garnished with coriander leaves or spring onion greens.